Hello, in front of me I've got Battlefield 6. In this video I'll show you how to fix microphone not working. In the beginning, let's go to settings of the game and go to audio. Firstly, if you've got external microphone, disconnect it from the PC, then connect it again and restart your game. Then, in voice chat, go to input device and make sure to select your microphone. Once it's selected, let's go to microphone mode and select open mic. Right now, you can check if the microphone works. If it's still not working and you can't find it here, make sure to go to sound settings, microphones, and select it as your default microphone. If it's not recognized here, add device and select correct option. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.